Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look back at the regular expression module. Regex, regular expression, however you know it. So we've done two. Now I want to discuss the special character dot. So, and I'll have all this in the description below. And up here, I'll put the previous part 1 and part 2 and down in the description. So, alright, we have a list of strings, and I'm sure you've already noticed some similarities here. Expression, so we're going to look at this, and we're going to use a very, very simple find all. So print find all, and this takes the expression and the string, and that's going to be our I here. And there we go. So this is looping through our list, and each time through it's a string. So that's what we're doing there. But we're not getting into the nitty-gritty. We're just doing a real quick lazy search. Not anything complicated. I want to show you this. So alright. So if I do OP here, what do I get? And look at what I did. Import RE. Okay, let's do this again. I get just a bunch of OPs, right? But here's an interesting feature about the dot. It says, hey, I want this and anything in front of it. So right now, and also find all will say it'll return any empty list. So that's what I did there. Now, so check this out. Let's just say I want any characters in front and behind the O character. So now it grabs mop, top, hop, Bob. I didn't want to say and Bob because we actually have and that's why I did that. So I just wanted to, because I remember how, oh my God, overwhelming regular expressions were when I was learning it. So we've done two, haven't done them in a while, but we're getting right there. We're gonna start doing a lot of stuff, and we need to start sprinkling in stuff like this and a lot of the other very, very, very cool searches. But we already know compile, and we're gonna add a couple more. But there's a lot of special little characters that mean a great deal, that are very powerful, and we're going to start mixing them in. So as always, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if this is your type of video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. And please leave any comments, questions, or my all-time favorite, any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. Have had some really, really, really awesome video requests, and it's been tremendously successful. So you guys are in charge of the channel. Help me go in the direction that it needs to go. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye, guys.